Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video 1. The goal of Manifest Destiny was square when the Oregon Territory was gained from Great Britain. 3. North America square land from Mexico, France and Great Britain in the 1800s. Square was the result of America wanting to gain more political, social and economic power rooted in Manifest Destiny. 5. John K. Polk was elected in 1844 mainly because he was in square of Manifest Destiny. 6. The South had an advocateis revolt. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.